back to my YouTube channel. Hey, I'm getting used to this thing now, saying my boy is back with another video. This weekend we're doing a vlog, so I'm telling you guys my weekend. I might have a busy weekend this week, so I'll bring you guys along with me. But the time is currently, what's the time? 15:45. Yeah, the time is currently 3:45, so I'm heading out to Waterfront now, run some errands and get some stuff to get my weekend busy. But yeah, and I think my Uber is outside on the way, so let's take you guys on this journey of mine this weekend, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And like, subscribe, and share this video. And yeah, let's get into these events. Finally arrived at Waterfront. We're just gonna proceed now to go do our errand, to do my errands, yeah. And yeah, let's continue with this video from here. Oh boy. Also vlogging in front of people. But someone's gotta do it, you know. So guys, I'm currently at H&M and I'm on a hunt for sandals. I need to find sandals and I'm not winning. As for now, the odds are against me. Well, let's go. I don't think we'll find anything, Lindo Apa. So I just left H&M now. I couldn't find anything, but yo, why is it so packed in the mall? Damn. But I'm heading over to Cotton On now and see if I can find anything else there. But yeah, I'm so busy. I have so much anxiety. Guys, vlogging and people not cute. So winning, I found the sandals that I was looking for. I just have to pay now, and yeah, so we can head to the next store and get some more stuff. Otherwise, the weekend in Ulu, it's above me. It's above all of us at this point. But yeah. Personally, Shem, I want to perish because kill me with adulting. Why is imali ingeni iphinde iphume? Why ingazinzi? Ayithandi imali ngenasimilo. Imali ngenasimilo engahlaliyo andiyithandi na shame. Guys, adulting is a scam. Adulting is a scam. Yo, I actually want to cry.
Team announcement.
Guys, I'm back again. I am currently at Premi, about to eat now and just de-stress because when they're about money, when I spend money, do not stress the money, but then nerves, the nerves back to work. So I need something to calm the nerves, and a Long Island is what we'll do. So I'm just with my drinks and my food. It's so packed here, yeah, it's so packed, and it's a Friday and it's Monday. Obviously got another one because something about me. One drink is not enough, two drinks enough, the third one will do it. Good morning guys, hope you guys are well. This is currently day 2 of this vlog. It's Saturday the 1st of October and the time is currently 8 minutes past 10. Yesterday was amazing, eh? It was amazing, but it was also kind of eventful. We went from an amazing start of the day to running errands, drinks and everything. Hands been almost thrown at waterfront, in a shop. Hey, a lot happened, but we got past that. We all got back home safely, and yeah, we're fine. But now today we're gonna continue this day. It's in the morning. Just have to get to the shower and get my day started. Hey guys, I'm back again. As you guys can see, I'm in town. I'm doing some last minute outfit shopping because damn, the outfit that I had in mind is not coming together. So I'm going to town, trying to get some tops. I'm gonna fit some on and see if I can find something before I go out. And I'm gonna be running late, so let me start this try out on these tops. Guys, so I'm back. I finally got an outfit. I just took this t-shirt because I had no other choice. They were only larger, so I had to get this one. So I am dressed now, ready to go. We are ready to go. And I'm very late as usual. I'm very late, so I'm gonna have to cut this here. See you guys on the flip side. Hi guys, so I just got off the boat cruise now. I'm probably gonna go for like drinks or some lunch at Life Grand because I'm still at waterfront. But the day adventures still continue with my beanie. Oh my darling, purr. Let's get the bill. This is a kidnap. No worry. It's safety. I think we must get bodyguards at this point because we are looking too good. But it's so packed here. It's giving. I cannot escape. Cannot come out. The way it's so packed here. Our drinks have finally arrived 2 million years later. This margarita took about 30 minutes. It's special, the margarita. It's special. It's simple margarita. But my drink has finally arrived. Cheers. We didn't have drinks and leave at this point. Aesthetic, and now 9 out of 10. Service, -1. Don't recommend. But aesthetic, yes. But yeah, no, we're gonna leave here because we are super tired. We're getting just the drinks and for foods. We're not even getting a starter at this point because we're just so annoyed. So we're gonna go now to probably Bobo's somewhere in Main Point and get food and then yeah, eat there because I've assessed to do is drinks and rights. Yeah. But I think just a taste. Personally ndiwe emoyeni ndikhubekile
from 100 to 0
yaba xa ukhuleka ngesixhosa I understand now ndikhubekile personally kuwe imixakatho iphansi yonke iGrand Africa
tired.
Yo guys, we are currently leaving Grand Africa Beach now. We are gonna make our way to probably Bobo's and try and see something to eat because Grand Africa Beach, as I said, aesthetic. 9 out of 10. Service, don't recommend. It's a 1, -1. So now we are currently on our way to get not drinks, to get food, because we didn't eat. We just had like drinks. So we're gonna get food now. We're gonna walk to Bobos, but it's not that far. We are already currently in Sea Point already. Because Bobos is in Moily Point, so we're gonna walk now to Bobos and try and see if we can get food, because begin. Moya wam uphansi on the floor. Guys, we are currently at Bobos now. We just arrived. Service 10 out of 10. It took us like 15 minutes, and the waiter came. They just complimented me. It was nice. We already put in our orders for our drinks and our food. So I'm just ready for our food now. News done. Just very high. Commentary page, pay like a show. Oh no. Yeah, I paid up was what? We are hungry. Hunger is killing us. Tina, we are the starving kids in Africa. We are the starving kids in Africa. If I'm sure. But yeah, we can't just switch now and without food. That's in Somalia at all. Just without food now. But yeah, this kitty girl. I get it. Ever. It looks into some bag. And was really close to the kids. What if you don't run?
Bilang i-fold engafaniye nezabanye.
That's the whole thing ngafaniye.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow.
We've made it to the final and last day of this vlog. I am heading out to the beach. I'm in a rush. I'm late. I'm super late today though. But I think one thing we've learned about me in this vlog, that I will be a late person. I'm late as per usual. My friends are already up there, so I have to get rushing quickly. But like, yeah. finally arrived at the beach now. We just got here. We just have to walk down, waiting for other of our friends before we go down to the sand and find a spot to sit. But yeah, we are here now. We are looking good as per usual. Mandate, okay? We have to just keep up the standard. Pressure must get worse all the time. But yeah, we're just waiting for our friends. Then we're gonna get a spot to sit down at the beach. So I'll vlog when I get there.
You like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait another day